Why choose KIITS? Kingston Imperial Institute of Technology stands as the best pharmacy college in Dehradun, Uttarakhand. We offer more than just education. We provide an immersive experience that nurtures both mind and soul. We provide highly qualified and experienced faculty, educational tours and industrial visits, counseling, training and placement assistance, various development workshops and seminars, research opportunities and career-oriented courses, personality development programs and classes. With highly experienced faculty and cutting-edge labs, our students gain the skills they need to shape the future of healthcare. Join a legacy of success. Choose Kingston Imperial Institute of Technology, the best pharmacy college in Dehradun.